Hey everyone, welcome to D Levine. If you're new, welcome. I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button. Also, make sure you hit that bell. That way YouTube will notify you every single time I put out a new video. Today is super exciting. I have my husband here. Hi.
Oh, hey baby. Thank you so much for having me on your platform. It's such an honor. It's a pleasure to be graced in the presence of you and your viewers.
You looking very corporate today.
I'm just trying to become very presentable because I take this channel very seriously.
Oh yeah? Your ties. Yeah.
Oh, thank you so much. You're such a good wife. I love you.
You guys, so today's a special video. I asked Jerry to join me and he was like, for what? That was his
But it's
real
still a pleasure.
response.
It's still a pleasure though. Now that I'm here, I do feel like, I don't know, it's just the energy on this channel. I just love it.
Really?
Yeah, I do enjoy it.
Okay.
It's so nice.
Awesome. Well, I wanted you here because I got you something.
By the way, you look great, by the way.
Thank you.
Did you do your makeup?
No,
You look beautiful.
my makeup artist did it.
Wow. It looks
you like
really
it?
good. I do. I love it.
Cool. Do y'all like it? Are y'all liking my makeup artist, her looks that she's been doing on me? Actually, this is only the second look. So comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. So anyways, I brought you on because I got you something.
Oh, that's for me?
Yes. And I want to unbox it on camera.
Okay.
All right.
I didn't know you got something for me.
Do you have any idea what it is?
Looking, no.
So it's in this box, you guys.
Is it another bag for you?
Another bag for me?
Yeah. It's like, surprise, I bought something for myself.
What you trying to say?
That's usually how it happens. Surprise!
Okay, so go ahead.
Oh, I open it?
Yeah, why not? I kind of sliced it open a little bit.
Pre-opened.
I don't know, I thought this would be something different. Usually it's me doing the unboxing, and they love watching unboxings, so I figured why not share this moment on
Well, have
camera.
your husband unbox something.
Yeah.
Okay. Did you see this from someone else?
Nope.
From Hermes?
Yeah. You gonna take it out like that? You
Oh,
unbox.
how you supposed to
way
take it out?
different. Go
Oh,
ahead,
you're
yeah.
supposed to leave the packaging in there?
Yeah, just open it. So you show them the sticker, how it comes, in case anyone wants to know. There's a little Hermes sticker. That's how we knew.
So you don't take this whole thing out, the box?
No, I don't.
And then open it?
No, I just open it.
All right, I want to do it my way.
Okay. Oh my god. Yeah, because they super package it really nice.
There's the unboxing. There you go.
I actually might need that box, so let's keep that.
Okay.
You unbox so messy.
Hey, you said you wanted me to do it my way. It's the harvest.
All right, put all that paper in the box, please.
See, it's like an onion. You gotta unravel it.
Yeah. Let's clear this up first. Then we'll continue the video. Be right back. This is really a true unboxing, as you guys can see.
Yeah, you're supposed to take everything out the box in the unboxing, I thought.
Well, usually I'll do it first, and then wrap it back up, and then unbox it on camera.
Well, we're doing it different. Can they see?
Yeah?
How you do this first? All right. A real unboxing. All the sounds.
ASMR.
Y'all can't tell me y'all didn't do that as a kid. Did you?
Yeah, I did.
Why are you trying to help me so bad?
Because you're triggering me. Like, you could tell you don't unbox things often. Like,
Who unboxes better, me or D Levine?
oh my
Patience.
gosh.
Patience. You do a lot of things that trigger me, ma'am.
5 hours later.
They saying they got more important things to do?
They do.
Oh, I like the box. I love orange. Can you not touch anything? I thought this was mine.
So there's the box.
Is this the receipt?
Yeah.
Should I look at this?
After.
Why are you so tired? You're yawning a lot.
I've been yawning, I know.
I know.
I've been
What's
up
going
since
on?
4 o'clock.
Does my
What do you mean?
unboxing bore you?
It's a little.
It ain't got nothing to do with you waking up
long.
early. You wake up early every day. You don't yawn this much.
I do like the box that came in. Do you have any idea what it is?
No.
No? Okay.
I'm thinking the size. It looks like a ring or a bracelet. You got me a bracelet?
Open it.
Oh! Hell yeah.
Let me see. I've
No,
never
don't touch
seen it for the first time too in person.
Yeah.
Wow, I love it.
This is nice. Thank you, baby.
So let's do a close up. Oh my gosh, I need to see this. It's my first time seeing it in person.
Cover your face. Wow.
Oh my gosh.
I like it.
I do like it a lot.
So I have my first Hermes watch, y'all. I mentioned something before. So when my wife got this one, I was like, okay, that's unexpected. I kind of like that. I like the design, the strap. It was clean. I was like, dang, do they have like men watches?
Yeah.
Because I never heard of like Hermes watches, and I never seen anyone wear a Hermes watch. And I guess you found one.
Yeah,
You
so every time I wear this watch, he always like, I love it. Oh, it's my favorite watch. Even though like he bought me my first Rolex, and like he doesn't even say that about that. Like every time I wear this watch, he's like, man, I love it. Like it looks so good.
I'm not a watch guy.
Yeah.
I don't wear watches, but this is my first watch, and I'm gonna wear it all the time.
So I actually bought him a watch before years ago, like before kids, when we first started dating. It wasn't even a watch I bought him. He just jacked it from me. It was a black on black watch.
It was a man's watch.
And I just
used to
wore
wear
it
a man's watch.
from Armani Exchange, and it was just, I thought it was cute. But that's the last watch he had, and so yeah, I figured like I reached out to my SA after he kept bringing up my watch, and was like, hey, like, do you have this in a bigger version and in men's? And yeah, she's like, yeah, but we don't have any right now. So I've been waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting, and I finally got a call, and she's like, hey, I got this in. It's exactly what you wanted. And yeah, I was like, it's a go. Does it fit?
I don't know how to put it on.
Oh, let me show you.
No, because it goes through this one, then it goes through this one too.
No, let me do it. No, it doesn't. It's just that one.
So, what's the point of that one? It's just the logo?
It's just the look.
Wait,
see?
That's too loose. I need the last one.
It's not, it can be stupid tight. Anyways, I had this sourced. My SA sourced it for me for my husband.
Man.
And wow, I love it on you. I like
nice.
yours. I want to try it on.
No, you cannot. If I let you try it on, I'm never going to get it back.
Let me try it. I just
no.
want to try it on.
No. And this is my box too. It's going to my office.
Yes, it is.
My
babe.
first ever Hermes piece or Hermes anything,
You'll
y'all.
keep this in the box
And it's on
too.
the same wrist as my wedding ring. Gold on gold. I love it. Thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
This is nice.
Wow, let me see. I love that on you. Babe, I really
it time right?
like it. What?
It's nice. My first watch.
Yeah, so we just gotta set the time. Let me see. Is it set? Oh, it's already set. It's already set.
It's awesome.
So yeah, y'all, sorry. Got sidetracked.
Yeah,
It's our first time seeing it in
Yeah.
person because there's no Hermes in Arizona. So yeah, my SA is out of state, not in Arizona. So this is my first time seeing it other than like a picture. Yay! Oh my gosh, it makes me want a gold one now. I love it. Did I do
You
good?
can finish the video. I ain't got nothing else to say to the people.
Did I do good?
I'm a little too good for this video right now. I'm about to charge you for being on here.
Yay! So you like it?
I love it.
Really?
Thank you, baby.
Awesome.
I'm wearing it all the time.
Yay! So yeah, I haven't surprised him since like
Yeah.
it's been a minute. Last year, the
yeah.
car.
Car.
Well, and then your birthday, I got you like some things here and there, but it wasn't like.
Yeah, this level. Yeah, this is crazy.
I love it.
How much was it?
I want to get like straps because I know you talked about wanting like
orange strap.
Yeah, orange.
I like black too,
and-
though.
So yeah, it was talked about that he wanted a watch down the line.
I only talked about I talked about it only because I saw yours and yeah, and this one is what's it called?
It's the TGM model. So
TGM model.
The grand, it's the
So
largest
it's the largest
model.
vase they have.
Yeah.
It stands for, I forgot the French word.
I think the grand,
Tresse.
Tresse Grande model.
Yeah, model.
So the grand model,
Model.
but I was really nervous at first because I wasn't sure if it was gonna be like big enough, like a man's
you thought it was
watch.
gonna be too small.
Yeah, but she was on it. She was like, "No, it will fit him. It'll look great. It's a man's watch." I was like, "All right." So yeah. Anyways, I just wanted to share this with you guys because I know y'all love unboxings, and I honestly just wanted to get our genuine reaction just for like memories for the both of us. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
I'm doing everything like that.